Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chaugule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA3 Special English. Name of the paper number 14 is English Drama for the semester 6. Let us know the last module number 8, the play Harvest, written by Manjula Padmanabhan. Manjula Padmanabhan, a 21st century woman, being a technocrat herself, uses the techniques and tools of the modern world in her most celebrated play, Harvest. Though Harvest is not the first play she wrote, her fame as a playwright rests on it. She drew the attention of the world when Harvest won the Onassis Cash Rich Award for the Theatre of Athens, Greece, out of more than 100 entries. The play confronts us with the futuristic Bombay of the year 2010. Om Prakash, the main character, a jobless Indian, agrees to sell unspecified organs through interplanta services to a rich person in the first world for a small fortune. Interplanta and the recipients are obsessed with maintaining Om Prakash's health and invasively controlled the lives of Om Prakash. His mother Ma and wife Jaya in their one-room apartment. The recipient Ginny, an American woman, periodically looks in on them via a video phone and treats them. Om's deceased brother Jitu is taken to give organs instead of Om. In the screenplay Harvest, many global borders arise in which organ selling occurs in India in the near future 2010. The guards take Jitu instead of Om to do the eye surgery. Once the procedure is over, his eyes will be donated and he will be left wearing a pair of goggles that look like a pair of imitation eyes. Om expresses to Jaya that since they don't care about Om and his family, the less format that they are going to operate on Jitu, even though they made a mistake and took the wrong person. Om acts very cold-hearted and sees to only care about the money he is going to be receiving. On the other hand, Jaya is very anxious and upset about what is taking place. When the guards bring Jitu back, he comes in white silk pyjamas and his head all wrapped up in bandages. Now Jitu is not able to see. He feels trapped and is built up with a lot of anger. Because we see the character Om Prakash, who signed up as an organ donator for Ginny, who is an American woman, simply because there is no more jobs in India. Jinni pays him to lead and live a healthy life, so when it is time for doing an organ, there is no difficulty or problem in doing so. This play feels nice in the beginning because it seems as after signing up as organ donor, leading a happy and healthy life is guaranteed and certain. But what lies underneath is when Om and his small family starts to enjoy their new lifestyles. They also start to deny the consequences. By seeing the financial situations of Om and his wife Jaya, we can appreciate money as a necessity to life. In this play, Om pretty much selling his life in order to obtain the top dollar for this family. Well, at least in India, it was considered top dollar. Jaya was evidently distressed about Om's decision on signing himself to Jinni because the family is already on an off and on a troubled relationship because Jaya is having a secret relationship with Om's younger brother Jitu. For the family, Jinni operates their services by dictating to Interplanta, which is the company that supplies them with food and services such as a toilet and a shower. The play Harvest shows the morality and ethical views of our society. As a result, Om's carelessness left his family in turmoil. But the tables had turned when Jitu has gotten sick. Om is probably going to donate his organs to Jitu, but he can't because he had signed up to Jinni. We see Jitu had been taken away from the picture as well as the donor, and Jaya is left alone to fend for herself. In the end, it is evident that the body serves as the major theme. Manjula Padmanabhan did a great job on portraying the body's importance to our society as well as in this play. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.